Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on balloon garlands. I know it's a little off topic for this channel, but it's a really simple and easy DIY. It's super inexpensive and I have some of my friends and family that asked me about it, so I just figured that I'd share it on here. This is a balloon garland that I made maybe 2 weeks ago that we haven't taken down for my son's birthday, and I am going to make another one today, but all you need is a few items. The first thing that I got, this balloon inflator. This one works really well. It's really fast. I got this for about $19.99 on the Walmart website, and I think they have it on Amazon and a few other websites, but I got mine at Walmart, and it actually comes with a little holder in here for the extension cord. It comes with two areas here where you can inflate the balloon, because I actually cannot blow balloons myself, and anyway, if you have to blow up like 50 balloons, it's best if you have this. It works a lot faster. The next thing you're gonna need is some balloon tape. This balloon strip tape I got from Amazon. I got it in a 2-pack for about $5, and it's really strong. And make sure when you do get it, you get the one that has the 2 holes for the insert. This is the other one that I use, and if you can see here, it has like holes that you can punch in, and what happens with this one is that the holes stretch out once you pull the knot of the balloon through, so it ends up being really flimsy, and once you have a lot of balloons on it, some of the balloons pop out. But just make sure that you don't get the other one. Okay, so that's it. That's all you're gonna need, and of course maybe some nails or thumbtacks, whatever you're gonna use to hang it up, and I'll show you guys now how I do it. If you want to see how it turns out, keep on watching.